I showed you what to do with small seeds like lettuce, and coriander would be the same, and pak choi. All those small seeds you sow in a punnet, or you can sow them in a container like this. What do we do with bigger seeds? If we've got things like peas, or sunflower seeds, or beans, they need to go into a bigger container because the seed is much bigger. You probably can't see from there, but you have to take my word for it. The seed is much bigger, so it's going to have a much bigger root. If we put big seeds in a container like this, there's not going to be enough room for their roots to grow. So, big seeds, big pot. We'll probably just get away with one of these. So, once again, what we need for this activity is we can use potting mix this time because the seeds aren't so small. So we want our potting mix, of course we want our seeds, we want our sea salt, and we want our water. We're going to fill the pot once again, give it a tap, going to put a little bit extra in this one. Give them a tap, as I say. Then we're going to use our finger again. So in a pot this size, which is a 6-inch pot or a 18 millimeter, finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 around the outside, and 3 in the middle. 1, 2, 3. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 around the outside again, and 3 in the middle. 1, 2, 3. We get our pea seeds. These ones are snow peas. Traditionally, it was always St. Patrick's Day that you would sow your pea seeds, and I think we're pretty close. I think we've missed it by a couple of days. So 1, 2, 1 in each hole, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and obviously we do the same in our other pot. And then a bit more potting mix over the top, another tap. The great thing about these little pots is it's its own little incubating unit. So before you close the top, give them a water, 10 squirts, so we've had 10 seeds and 10 squirts should be enough. Close it up. Now the problem with this one is if we leave it like that, because the holes are at the bottom, well they're actually on the sides, it's not going to drain very well. So if the water can't drain through, then the seeds are going to rot. That's why the pots were invented like this with much bigger holes. So with this one, you just need to raise it on something. You can, if you've got a spare pot, you can just balance it on top, or you can put it on top of stones, or anything you can find, just to make sure that the water can drain out easily. So you never put these in a saucer where they're sitting in their own water. And that's how you do your bigger seeds.